Welcome back to another foodie series. Today I'm going to be showing you a map of the places that I want to personally go out and try. At the end of this video, please comment and let me know if you've ever gone to any of these restaurants, what foods you recommend, dessert, appetizers, you name it, recommend it please, because I definitely want to check these out. And since this assignment was brought up and I thought it was a pretty neat gadget to have, you could actually access this map in your phone. And whenever you're on the go and you're indecisive of where to go, and maybe you want to try a new place, you have it mapped out. So I thought this was going to be the perfect opportunity to one, give myself, well, map all the restaurants that I want to go to, and kind of share with you guys and get your feedback on these restaurants. And I would definitely love to hear your feedback. So please, please, please comment and let me know if it's worth it, if you give it a 10 out of 10, if you give it a 0 out of 10, let me know, please. So the very first one that I put down is this one right here, which is the Barrel House 101. As you can see, the burgers look fantastic. The fries too. Their menu is full of endless food. Like, it looks delicious. Please let me know if you have like appetizers from here too. The fries look really, really good. So cheesy. If the macaroni, they have onion rings. I'm a huge fan of onion rings, so please let me know too. They have bread bowls, weird, cool looking burgers. So definitely, yeah, let me know. And then the next one that I added to my list is the Mestiza Kitchen. So it looks like they have lumpias and they have like, I want to say these are pork kebabs or beef kebabs, not sure. I know this is pancit and they have like an udon cake that unfortunately I wasn't able to get a picture of in here, but it looks just fantastic. And they just have a different variety of foods, and I put a little picture of the menu. Let me know if you guys want me to share this. I would definitely share it with you guys just in case you guys are out in the road and want to access this. Let me know. The next one is the Raven Tavern. I actually saw one of my friends go to this place, and her plate looked phenomenally delicious, and then the setting was really cute. So this is a place that you might want to take your significant other to celebrate like an anniversary or something like that. Ooh, those onion rings. As you can see, I'm a big fan of onion rings. Burgers. This is like a pot pie style thing. I've heard it's really, really good. I've read the reviews and the comments. A lot of people recommend it. So if you've been there, tried the pot pie, let me know. Another thing, oh, there you go. Mr. Oslo's Coffee Hut. I saw this one when we went to eat. I'm not sure what the ice cream is called, but I know it's in the Ventura Harbor, and they have like little fish looking. Um, I'm not sure what they're called, but it's a little fish, and then they stuff it like with ice cream. And I believe it's called Coastal Cone. The place, it's really good. I recommend it. Their ice cream is really soft. The fish is definitely worth giving it a try. And when we were passing by, we saw this cafe and the food smelled really, really good. I've never been there. Definitely we want to try it. And here are some examples of the food. If you like a seafood omelet, they have it. And I'm not really a big fan of seafood, but it looked really good. Look at this hollandaise sauce with the eggs, and the potato is delicious. Now, another stop is the Dulce Vita. I know they have two locations. I'm not sure if I pinned the right one. There was one in B Street and one in 4th Street. Not sure what it was, but the one that I liked has the setting outside of the building. It looks really romantic. It looks like anniversary. Super, super cute. Even like a girls' night out. They have pizza. I am a big, 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 big Italian foodie, so please comment any Italian restaurants or any Japanese Any Asian restaurants, comment and let me know because I live for them. I've gone to LA to eat ramen and it was so worth it. And I actually waited like 2 hours to get in there, but it was so worth it. These plates are like more really aesthetic and so wow, so really nice plated. Really, really, really good. Also, this is the location for this one. Maybe I should have done that. But this is the location, and then the fish, the salmon with asparagus and some rice. I love a Capri salad. Super, super good. And then we're gonna go to the next one, which is the Sushi Fresh. I feel like I didn't really read much of the comments when I was taking a look at this specific restaurant, but what really had me is that they have the sushi band and the sushi is rolling around the table. So I really want to go and see like what it is about. And I just kind of want to go for the sushi band. I live for that. So definitely want to check them out. Their menu looks really, really, really good. I can't wait. This is actually one of my upcoming, maybe Sunday, we're going to go and visit. And I'll let you guys know in the comments, but this is the address and their phone number. And I'll definitely try to share my maps and hopefully you guys, get to experience some of these and let me know. So this is the Happy Bowl Express. I've never really been, but one of my really good friends recommended this place. It's more like of a Chinese food. It's like if you're going to a Chinese food and you kind of like get to pick what you want. So it looks really good. I'm a big fan of the dumplings and stuff like that. So yeah. All right. And also I'll be adding a little bit more in here just because my list goes on and on and on and I didn't want to bore you guys. So I have from like Carpinteria, Santa Barbara, LA, Anaheim. So yeah, let me know if you want a part two, and definitely I could create a part two. And hopefully, I add a lot more restaurants that I would like to go. Also, if you guys want to know where I get the majority of my restaurants, she's called Trendy Eats, and she is always posting a lot of like good stuff. Like she posted something about Don Waffle and it's in the collection and I got to try it and they're really really good. Their breakfast sandwiches and even their waffle sticks, they're really really good. Sweet but not too sweet. I don't recommend the orange juice there. It's not freshly squeezed, but it is really really good food quality and I definitely recommend that. Definitely check her out. She has a lot of good suggestions. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend. Um, and I can't wait to see all your videos and get inspired. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.